In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best beginner tips if you are actually new with affiliate marketing, or you're just getting started, or maybe you are not getting the results that you're looking for. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you guys actually two tips, the best two tips if you're actually starting with affiliate marketing, or if you are looking to get started with affiliate marketing, or maybe you're struggling and you're like, hey, I don't know what I'm missing. Okay, chances are that you're going to find the answer in this video. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay, this is for those who are doing affiliate marketing. Basically, you are promoting other people's product and service in exchange of a commission. It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product. But most people are not getting the results that they're looking for because they're missing of this. Okay, first, they're not building their business. You need to have this. You need to own the customer. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, being an affiliate marketer, um, nowadays it's easier than before because over 80% of the companies out there are looking for affiliates. As I mentioned before, they're looking for people who are going to be promoting their products and service. You can be an affiliate of Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Target. You can go to marketplaces as JBSU, Wire Plus, ClickBank, and you're going to find tons of products. Okay. But you need to understand again that you need to build your business. You need to own the customers. What most people do is this. Okay. They are like, hey, I have this product that I want to promote. Okay. Here's the actual product that I'm going to be promoting. And I'm going to be sharing my link on every social network. Okay. It can be YouTube nowadays, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. They're like, yeah, I'm going to be sharing this. So if someone buy, you're going to be earning a commission, but you don't own the customer. Okay. An example is with Amazon. Okay. And don't get me wrong, I like affiliate marketing with Amazon, but there is an actual way of how you're going to be doing it if you really want to earn money online. Since you don't own the customer, let's say that you make a commission, okay? Someone make a purchase, you make the commission, but Amazon is going to be sending them emails. It's going to keep recommending them products, okay? I even nowadays invite them to join the membership. But you are not going to be earning a commission of that because you don't own the customer. So you need to partner with a company in which no matter what, you're going to be owning the customer. So that means that if you make a sale and that person decide to purchase something else after, it doesn't matter if a year after, a couple of days after, you're going to be earning commission. Okay. So this is the actual right way to make money online. Okay. So again, this is with affiliate marketing. This is the very first step, which is that you need to build your business. You need to own the customer. Again, no matter what they sell, no matter if they send an email or something, you're going to be earning a commission. The second tip is that you need to to build your email list from day one. Okay. Most people don't do this. And this is actually a mistake that I did because we are afraid, we're scared, but nowadays, for example, you can join with, you can start with Aweber. You can start for free. I'm going to be leaving a link below. So you can actually start building your email list with Aweber, or you can go with System.io. I'm going to be leaving another link as well in the description so you can join them. It's actually free to get started. And the most emails you have, the more possibilities you have for your business. Because first, you're going to be getting a lead. Okay, if this person do not make the purchase, hey, no worries. You can send them another email with another product, another service, another valuable information. And in the future, this person is going to become a buyer. And if you do it right, if you partner with the great companies, okay, this person is going to be getting also emails and more recommendation from companies that you already recommend in the past and they purchase from. Okay, so the more emails, the more money you're going to be making. Nowadays, $1 it's equal to one email address. Okay, it can be a little bit more, it can be a little bit less, but let's say that this is an average. So if you want to make $1,000, you need to have 1,000 emails. Okay, so it's as simple as that. But again, most people don't know this, and they are doing what I showed you before. They're like, okay, this is going to be easy. And some of them are even doing this with paid traffic. That means that they're paying Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Google, um, you name it. And if they don't make their money back, they're like, well, this actually is not actually working because this is not the best way to do it. This is not the right way to do it. Okay. Again, you need these two things. First, you need to build your business. You need to own the customer. And as you can notice, you need to start your email list. Okay. You need to start it from day one. Okay. Remember that there are tools that you actually can use it. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can start learning this. Okay. So this is for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.